just go watch something else in the fun now. Watch, you know, change horse and something. Just go watch something else. You don't want to see this. So here we have a guy's, his friend, he's got the rubber gloves on and got the scalpel out to get this meat and dairy cyst out his dude's back. Now watch this. Oh, you see that squirt? Replay. That's just disgusting. Oh my god, that's hideous. I'm about to vomit. Now, if you're still watching, look, this is disgusting. That's cheese. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is cheese, man. That is dairy. That is beef fat out of your back. Beef fat on tap. That is hideous. That is hideous. This guy's got a good friend. I wouldn't do that. Still can't. Oh my god. It's still. That is. Oh my god. It's still coming out. Oh my god. It's on his back. He's got beef fat on his back. Now that, my friends, is why you don't eat meat and dairy.